Hello everyone, I'm Bill Shires with StoneAge Water Blast Tools, and I'm here to talk to you about some improvements we've made with our hose containment systems. Before I get into the specific and technical details of our improvements, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about why we are offering hose containment systems and their value to you as a water blast contractor. So hose containment systems are offered now with each of our water blast tractors, and they offer several different value points for you. First is safety. When doing a pipe or heat exchanger cleaning, you can have up to 80 feet of hose that's then being spread out across the work zone here. So hose containments, first and foremost, reduce the tripping hazards, and they contain the hoses here, so you always know where it is in terms of your work environment space. Some other benefits that you have for it is that it reduces the wear and tear on the outside of the high pressure hoses. Many times contractors, through their work environment, cut or slip the outside of the hoses, and that greatly reduces the life of the hoses. So within a job or two jobs of buying hoses and replenishing your fleet there, you actually could pay for a hose containment system that you could have for years into the future to greatly extend the life of each individual hose. We've added 4 additions in our upgrade for the new model for the hose containment systems. The first upgrade are these flat posts. They replace the round cylinder posts that we had previously. Having a large surface area here reduces or eliminates the ability for it to constrict when it's under operation. To beef that up a little bit more, we put a steel plate that connects all those flat posts across the center. The third thing we did was we increased this connection here to 9/16 medium pressure. That increases or allows for more flow, but then also reduces the amount of pressure loss over the whole system. And our final upgrade are 2 options that you have for these snouts. We have a 2-inch snout, and we also have an 1.25-inch snout. So please refer to your operator's manual or the details on our website for when to use which size snout. So that's a complete review of the new upgrades for our hose containment systems. Keep in mind, these hose containment systems are available for all of our tractor delivery systems. And as a product leadership company, we're here to help those that have bought the first, earlier generation of these products. So we have conversion kits that help you go from your old 2L, your old 3L hose containment system to the new version now. Just give us a call. We have the conversion kits available and the technical manual to help do the installation yourself. If you have any questions, please give us a call. And thanks again for watching StoneAge Water Blast Tools.